Do
You
it
know
with
what this
like
is? This is that truck
like you know
money.
the diesel bros?
Truck
Yeah.
money.
Freak money.
Truck money. This is
Really?
going on my vlog.
Or maybe set up somewhere where she can bring it in.
You
and
bleep it.
Do like a little show with
Beep
them, you
it.
know?
Pretty funny.
Get that thing all
Truck
done up.
money. Truck money.
Truck money.
Truck money.
Going to get my truck. My 76 Ford Crew Cab.
Alright, y'all, so we're in Phoenix. Look at this. Look at this. Looks really good, actually. It looks pretty cool. I know I'm a hater for saying he shouldn't get it. It's only because he doesn't drive. If he drives this more than once a month, I will be surprised. So here it is. It's looking good. We have a long drive back to our house, but I'm excited because I can't wait to show you guys what this thing is gonna look like after we get done with the interior, and we're gonna do some stuff to the outside of it. So he got me all into it, you know. It is what it is. So Bates got the truck. Frogman got the truck. He's stoked. Ryan is so excited. Let's see, brush up on your manual skills.
All right. Okay, it's all the way.
Am I first?
It's all the way over and up. There you go.
There we go. Never driven stick before.
Be careful, there's a car or bike coming up.
Let's see how it goes. Shit's easy.
Just be careful, all right?
What?
Now you drive stick good. You drive stick real good.
Yeah, I'm better at it than you.
Shut up!
Oh, there's
Okay.
no suspension on
No,
this.
it's stiff. It's stiff. It's too old 250. Babe, there's a truck coming. What are you doing?
Steering's not working. Or is the steering? The steering's not working.
It's power steering, baby.
I don't think it's working. Not kidding.
Huh?
What's the... Okay, y'all, so the truck is broken down. It's not actually broken down. The steering is not working. Put in some clips from the drive. But basically, we stopped for lunch and we didn't get that far. We just wanted to stop and get something to eat before we got out into the desert, and I got in it to drive the video. I don't know if I have footage, but basically the steering wheel wasn't catching properly. So I got on the freeway. I went probably 10 more miles, and on the freeway it was fine. When we got off the freeway, because we wanted to check if there was a leak or anything, sure enough, right as soon as I got off the freeway, the steering was not catching again as we were going slow. So it's a bummer, but we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do right now. Keep you updated. The truck's not turning at all. Not turning.
Oh, there we got it. Now it's
Good for you.
Yep, that's it.
It's M as in Mary, B as in boy, 3, N as in Nancy, 3, Q as in queen. Okay, we are back at Southwest. He is so sad. Are you bummed?
Yeah. What do you want to say? Do you want to say I told you so?
What's going on? Just give me the details.
Well, this is the second
Can
time.
you go over here to the power one?
This is the second time. What? You can't go up the things. This is the second time I've tried to buy a classic car with you, and it broke down within an hour of us buying it. I mean.
So what's the game plan now? Let's go back to the drawing board, Coach.
I guess go home, try to impregnate you.
Oh, Sadie. Sadie.
I don't know. Hopefully the guy fixes it and then I rebuy it from him again.